Welcome. In this video I will show you how to insert an SD card into your HP 255. To do that we will need both the micro SD and the micro SD reader for it. So make sure to insert your micro SD card into the adapter, and after that insert this adapter into the specific port that is located on the right side of your laptop right here. So we insert it this way and just push it inside until it sits firmly. Then your laptop has to detect the SD card, and to access the data on it you're going to have to open the File Explorer. Okay, then go to this PC, and here you'll be able to find your SD card with all the data stored on it. You can format your SD card, which will erase all data from it by right-clicking it and selecting Format. Then you can select one of the file systems. So the EXFAT or FAT32 is the default one for many SD cards. If you want to use Windows specific file system, you can select NTFS, and and then just hit the quick format checkbox and click start and wait until your SD card is formatted. If your SD card is not detected for some reason, you can open the start menu and search for diskmgmt.msc and then run this program. Here you'll find all the disks and all the partitions on your computer. So the disk 1 in this case will be the SD card, and if your device does not detect it in the File Explorer, then you have to right click the disk 1 and to select change drive letter and path, and then select the proper letter for it. But if your device still isn't recognizing your SD card or refuses to change the partition's name or the disk name, then you can right click your SD card right here and select format and format it from here, and after you format it, it will automatically appear in your File Explorer. Now if you want to remove it from your computer, then just either click right here and find your SD card here, and if you don't see it here, then go to this PC, select your SD card and select eject at the top. Okay, and then you can just pull it out. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.